Still looking for the latest and hottest trendy products? Check out these 5 products from Doba that help you take your dropshipping business to the next level. What's even more exciting? Doba is offering an amazing benefit for new users. Sign up now and enjoy a cash reward worth up to $10. The first product is the revolutionary Blu-ray Glasses. With their high demand and fantastic profit margin of 41%, these stylish glasses offer superior protection against blue light and UV damage. Start maximizing your sales today with the unbeatable price of $6.26 at Doba. The next one is our incredibly popular mini handheld spray fan. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it offers adjustable water mist size and a versatile flat bottom design. With an unbeatable Doba price of $9.52 and an impressive 50% profit margin, this deal is irresistible. Get ready for the portable power bank. Charge 2 devices simultaneously at full speed with this must-have device. It's available at an impressive Doba price of just $17.57, with a remarkable 47% profit margin. Don't miss out! The next one, Round Fruits Onion Shredder Cutter, is a highly sought-after kitchen essential with its versatile, easy-to-hold design. This convenient tool is available at Doba for only $8.70, offering a generous 34% profit margin. Do not miss out! The last one is the Pet Car Transport Cage. Trapezoidal design saves storage space while meeting your pet's needs. Don't miss out on the unbeatable Doba price of $85 with a 43% profit margin, available from July 8th to September 3. Aren't you excited to see all the fabulous products? Hurry up and start a new hot sale at Doba.